everybody, it's Sophia today. It is 7:13 and that
is the Empire State Building.
Made out of magnet tiles. As you can see, Spencer built a lovely little barn. And then, bum ba bum bum bum. It's like
the Empire State Building.
Get a good look at that. See it? It's huge.
Right,
and Spencer is going to knock it down. First, let me get you guys.
I'm going to try and do it with wind.
No.
Probably fall on it. It'll probably fall.
Alright. Wait. Just get out of here.
Oh no.
Alright,
but wait, let me show you guys this.
I'm going to show you guys the barn.
They're everywhere.
I'm going to show you guys the barn. The Barney. I need to show you guys the barn, so I'll be back in one split second. It'll just take a little. Where's the other two? This.
My brother, he's obsessed with barns.
Not really. Just something to build.
He builds and he builds and he builds and he builds and he builds! I don't like it.
Come on, Sophia. You know you do. Alright, one side is complete.
They don't see it. Hi guys. 1 second. Okay, let me show you his
barn.
Barnacles.
Barnia.
Now turn around. Give it a little twirl.
Alright, now I'm going to drop this from high.
Yeah, he's going to drop it from the couch now. And I'm going to give you guys a better view. Throw it. Okay,
I'll throw it at you.
Wait, no.
Ask me to throw it.
Yeah, not on me. I'm getting on a ping pong table.
You.
Oh god.
Oh gosh.
He was gonna fall. You need to watch that in slow motion, everybody.
Yeah, go ahead and do it.
By the way, check out the new vid, funny face video. Bye guys.
See you later with Barnes.
And Nicole's. Barnacles.
Alright.